Hey, let's go.
Freedom. Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Hey folks, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be showcasing this beautiful unit right here. Now I know you see her, and I know you can see my big ass forehead that's on bright. Oh my god. Anyway, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a baddie like this one, you will get notified. And if you've been here and you've been rocking with me, you already know what to do. Like, comment down below. Let me know how you feeling, Miss Thing. Okay, and let's just go ahead and get into this video so I can show you how I put it all the way together. All right, come on, let's go. Folks, now that I got Miss Thing all the way together, let's get into who she is. Okay, now I got this wig from my favorite company, Outre, and this is the Melted Hairline collection. Her name is Begonia, and I hope I'm saying that right, but Begonia. And I got her in a DR2 Cinnamon Spice. She's spicy. Oh, woo! She's hot. She's hot. She's hot. Anyway, a star card reads as such. She has a soft HD transparent lace, double wide lace part, pre-plucked hairline and sideburns, pre-attached wide elastic bands for secure fit. She is a redesigned comfort fit ear contour, salon inspired color, natural baby hair. She's a 2x5 and she has a deluxe wide lace part. Now, Begonia, in the card it says, "It's a hairline you won't want to hide. Go ahead and slick your hair back to tuck it behind your ear. Melted hairline features ear-to-ear HD lace, a deluxe wide lace part with more hand-tied lace so it blends beautifully with your skin to create a realistic finished look." Now, I understand the mistake that I made. Put her together because you know how I'm feeling like the no more baby hairs. I'm done with that. So I wanted nothing but forehead, but I'm thinking this is too much forehead. I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments down below. Because, boy, my 5 hairs on 6, okay? I'm feeling like I probably should have brought her down a little. Or I should have done what the star card told me to do and give her some baby hairs all the way down. Okay? I did the little sideburns. I did that. Yes, ma'am. I did that. And that looks nice. But I just didn't do the. This is what Miss Begonia looks like on the stock card. Real beautiful. This color right here. If I like it, I buy 2. Yes, yes. This color right here is screaming, Vageline, come and get me. Come and get me, girl. The inside, of course, goes into her details and how to take care of her. And the back shows you the many different colors, how she looks how she looks in the back, from the side, and all these beautiful colors right here in her cap. Miss Thing has standard wig, 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, a elastic band to make it tight. She is big head friendly. When I combed her out, I didn't get any shedding, nor did I get any tangling, so that's perfect. Of course, says she came pre-plucked, but I felt like I had to go in and pluck her a little bit more. And again, my mistake was, if I did the baby hairs, I probably would have been able to see the actual pre-pluckness of it, if that makes sense, but I just didn't want to do that. So this is what she's looking like. She's giving forehead. She's giving forehead and melted, which I think she's giving forehead and melted. Her color, oh man, this color is like, I've had Cinnamon Spice before, and I probably reviewed Cinnamon Spice before, and I think that was Dion. But this Cinnamon Spice is bright. Like, she is in your face. Fall, where are you, baby? Yes. Look, a little bit of shedding. I love her. She is adorable. Would I buy her again? Definitely. Would I wear Miss Begonia too? She is a real cute, sophisticated wig. Like, I feel like an adult in this wig, if that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? Damn, the 2 kids, the job, the man living in my house, and all that other stuff. I feel like an adult in this wig. Like, I'm making really major decisions in this wig. You understand what I'm saying? So, board meetings. Like, I'm coming to shut down in this wig. Does that make sense to you? Even in this color, like, she just looks like she's a woman in power. You understand what I'm saying? In this, like, that's how I feel, a woman in power in this wig. Like, she is giving off, don't mess with me. Don't mess with me, because I'm about to shut shit down. I love this wig. She's definitely going to be in my collection. Jesus. Miss Begonia is not going anywhere. She actually reminds me of Sensational Zelina. She reminds me of Zelina. The only difference is, with Zelina, you can part her any which way you want to. With Miss Begonia, you only get this right side part, and that's it. So that's the only, I would say, cons when it comes to her, that you only have this side parting and that's it. But other than that, she is a beautiful wig. That's all I got on Miss Begonia. She is definitely a 10 in my book. Like, she is giving all types of sophisticated lifestyle. Okay, if you like what you see, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you would get notified. You don't want to miss out. I'm telling you, these wigs is coming in hot and spicy and cinnamony. Is that even a word? Disregard the cinnamony. Anyway. What the hell? Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare.